Hi everyone! In my previous 2x2x3 Cuboid tutorial, we learned how to solve the top and bottom layers in 2 steps. First, we solved the top and bottom faces. Then, in step 2, we completed each layer one at a time. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you another approach that lets you solve each entire top and bottom layer in just one step. Let's get started. Before we start, please note that this video will only focus on solving the top and bottom layers using the one-step method. For a complete tutorial on how to solve the middle layer, you can watch my previous tutorial by clicking on the link in the description. First, it is important to know the color on each side of the cube. If you are not sure about the color arrangement of the 4 faces, you can always use a 3x3 cube for reference. For example, if this face is blue, red will be on the right side, and green will be on its opposite side. First, let's start with the bottom white face layer. Let's look for any corner piece on the top layer that has the white tile facing upward. Once you find one, rotate the top layer so that the corner piece sits directly above its correct position. Make sure to hold the white corner piece on the bottom right like so. Now, here's something interesting you'll notice. When the white tile is facing up, the side colors appear opposite each other. So, blue is here, which is on the opposite side of the blue face. The same for the orange tile. Alright, once the corner is in the correct position, apply this algorithm. R, U, R, U prime, R. And the corner will drop into the correct place. Now, here's another situation you might see. Sometimes the corner piece is already in the bottom layer, but it is in the wrong position or orientation. In this case, simply apply the same algorithm, R, U prime, R, to bring the piece back up to the top layer, and then solve it normally. Alright, let's finish placing the rest of the corners. As you can see, using just one step and one algorithm, we can solve the entire white face and the whole bottom layer. Now, let's move on to the top layer, which has the yellow face. Because we already solved the bottom layer, the yellow face will automatically be solved. So all we need to do now is fix the corner position. First, look for 2 corner tiles of the same color that are next to each other on one face. This pair of tiles is also called headlights. If you see a pair of headlights, rotate the puzzle so that it looks as close to solved as possible. Then hold the cube with the headlights facing to the left, like so. Now apply the same algorithm again. R, U prime, R. If done correctly, you'll see that the white tile on one of the corners rotates and points upward. Next, rotate the entire cube on the y-axis 90 degrees clockwise. Then apply this algorithm. L, U prime, L, U, L. And that should solve the entire top layer. Here's a case where there are no headlights on the top layer. To solve this case, hold the cube in any direction and apply the same algorithms. R, U prime, R. L, U prime, L, U, L. If you have done it correctly, a pair of headlights will appear on one of the faces. Now you can simply solve it using the headlight case. R, U prime, R. L, U prime, L, U, L. And that's it. Using this method, we can solve the top and bottom layers of the 2x2x3 cuboid in just one step, using only a couple of simple algorithms. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more cubing tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.